اسمبلی کی کارروائی کا آغاز قائد ایوان اور قائد حزب اختلاف کے دلائل سے ہو چکا ہے اور اس وقت دیگر اسکولوں کے طلباء و طالبات بھی ہمارے درمیان موجود ہیں. تو اب میں دعوت دیتی ہوں عظیمی پبلک ہائر سیکنڈری اسکول کی طالبہ فاطمہ زہرہ کو کہ وہ موضوع پر اظہار خیال کریں. فاطمہ زہرہ.
بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم. السلام علیکم. Honorable Chief Guest and respected educators, Assalamu alaikum. Today I am here to announce a speech on online safety. We live in a society where internet is like a child's play hub, socializing classroom and playground. So with just one click our children can explore the world, but with the same click they can be exposed to the dangers that we never imagined. Today, as we spend more time online, it is our responsibility to understand the importance of saving and protecting ourselves online. We need to be sure that our information is protected and safe from unauthorized access. First and foremost, we need to be aware of the information that we share online. Always think before uploading anything online. Your personal details, even your school number, can be used by strangers with harmful intentions. Secondly, let's talk about password. A strong password is your main and first defense line against unauthorized access. If students know about online safety, they would be able to recognize the danger that could occur online. Being aware of online safety can help a student maintain a healthy relationship with technology. If a student would be aware of online problems and online danger that could occur, student would have known how to handle the problems. Dear audience, internet is dangerous. So should we stop using it or should we keep our children away from it? I know you all will say no, because it is now a very crucial and basic needs for our generation. Like everything that have pros and cons, internet also does. It depends on us that we use it for the good use. In conclusion, I would state that online safety is about being aware and cautious on internet, protecting your information and using a strong password, and being cautious online. Remember, it's better to be safe than sorry. As the American President Barack Obama said, if we are going to be connected, we need to be protected. Thank you.